Honda BUDD i. The Honda BUDD i is the next generation car that has artificial intelligence coupled with the autonomous vehicle technology. We can easily see the future through the Hollywood movies like Her, Ex-Machina, and Big Hero 6. In these movies, we see the advanced versions of artificial intelligence. The growth of autonomous predictions are quite similar, and the cars of today will very soon have the intelligence levels shown in the movie. In the past, people used to travel in the carriage, and they used to communicate with their horse to drive. The carriage drivers used a rope and their voice to communicate with their horses. The concept design is based on the carriage for the main theme, Scripture. It is done to express future open interaction space. The main round theme of the car is kept, and emphasis on the boomerang sideline is given. The roof can be removed. The removed roof shows the concept of facing structure between the AI and the human, just like in a carriage between a human and a horse. The exterior design is a sleek line on Volmic surface so as to make it look like it's blending on two different parts. With roof removed in the concept, it shows the boldness of the car, where it demonstrates the interactive space without boundary. The interior design, unlike the exterior, has simple graphics. It is done so that it balances with the exterior. The car also has a trunk in the rear so that the passengers can put their luggage in it. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.